Most car buyers think reliability is obvious. A familiar badge, a high sticker price, maybe even a reputation from years ago. But the truth is, most cars on the lot today are built to keep you paying long after you drive them home. We dug through ratings, resale data, and real owner complaints, so you don't have to. These are the cars that actually prove themselves year after year. And coming in at number 13, Toyota Corolla. The Corolla isn't flashy, and it doesn't pretend to be. What it does is simple. It starts every morning, gets you where you need to go, and rarely leaves you stranded. Consumer Reports has rated it above average for reliability for nearly 2 decades. Owners regularly report 200,000 to 300,000 miles, with nothing more than routine maintenance. Resale values are strong because the reputation is ironclad. If you want a car that's more about peace of mind than horsepower, the Corolla delivers. Number 12, Honda Civic. The Civic takes the Corolla's philosophy and adds a little excitement. It's one of the few compact cars that blends driving fun with long-term dependability. Honda's engines are legendary, simple, efficient, and incredibly durable. Even models from the early 2000s, now with 2 decades of road time, are still daily drivers for thousands of owners. Transmissions, especially manuals, have proven bulletproof. Consumer Reports reliability ratings consistently rank the Civic near the very top of its segment. And then there's the cost of ownership. Parts are cheap, repairs are straightforward, and fuel efficiency is excellent. Unlike some appliance cars that people forget about, Civics also have a passionate fan base, meaning aftermarket parts, upgrades, and a healthy used market. That keeps resale values surprisingly high, especially for models with low mileage. It's the kind of car that appeals to teenagers buying their first vehicle, parents wanting something safe for commuting, and even enthusiasts who want a platform to modify. No matter the reason, a Civic is a car you rarely regret owning. Number 11, Toyota Camry. If the Corolla is Toyota's workhorse, the Camry is the family's crown jewel. For over 20 years, the Camry has been America's best-selling sedan. Why? Because it delivers exactly what buyers want: comfort, efficiency, and rock-solid dependability. Owners routinely report 300,000-mile Camrys still running strong. Engines like Toyota's 2.5-liter 4-cylinder or the 3.5-liter V6 are famous for lasting decades with basic maintenance. Even in the used market, a 10-year-old Camry often sells for more than rivals of the same age because buyers know they're safe bets. Insurance costs are low, safety ratings are strong, and Consumer Reports ranks it as one of the most consistent sedans ever built. In a world where SUVs dominate headlines, the Camry proves the classic mid-size sedan still has a place, especially if you want a car you'll never have to worry about. Number 10, Lexus ES. Now here's a surprise for many buyers: a luxury car that doesn't drain your wallet. The Lexus ES takes everything that makes the Toyota Camry reliable and adds premium comfort and refinement. Built on the same platform, the ES offers smoother rides, quieter cabins, and high-end materials. But under the skin, it's powered by Toyota's bulletproof engineering. This combination makes it one of the longest-lasting luxury cars ever made. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the ES among the top luxury sedans for reliability, far ahead of German rivals like BMW or Audi. Owners routinely report ES sedans going past 250,000 miles with few major repairs. While luxury brands often scare people with the thought of huge maintenance bills, the ES is different. It's proof that you can enjoy comfort and dependability in the same package. Number 9, Honda Accord. For decades, the Accord has been the car that balances everything: roominess, comfort, safety, and long-lasting dependability. While the Civic shines as a compact, the Accord dominates the midsize market. Honda's 2.4-liter 4-cylinder and 3.0-liter V6 engines have legendary reputations. It's not uncommon to find Accords with 250,000 to 300,000 miles still running on their original drivetrains. Consumer Reports has consistently ranked it as one of the most reliable mid-size sedans, often scoring higher than domestic competitors like the Chevy Malibu or Ford Fusion. Another big advantage is cost of ownership. Insurance is reasonable, fuel economy is solid, and replacement parts are cheap. Even after a decade, Accords hold strong resale value, which shows how much trust people have in them. For buyers who want a car that feels a little more premium than a Civic but still comes with bulletproof reliability, the Accord is an easy choice. Number 8, Toyota Prius. When the Prius first hit the market, many doubted it would last. Hybrid batteries, electric motors, people assumed they'd break down in a few years. But 2 decades later, the Prius has proven everyone wrong. Toyota's hybrid technology has become one of the most dependable systems in the world. Taxi fleets and rideshare drivers regularly report Priuses crossing 250,000 miles with ease. And while hybrid batteries were once a concern, real-world data shows many last 150,000 to 200,000 miles before needing replacement. Maintenance is surprisingly low, brakes last longer thanks to regenerative systems, and the small engines run efficiently without much stress. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power both give the Prius high marks year after year. Beyond reliability, it's also one of the cheapest cars to own long-term, thanks to fuel savings. For anyone who values both economy and peace of mind, the Prius delivers both better than almost any rival. Number 7. Mazda 3. Mazda has never sold cars in the same volume as Toyota or Honda, but the Mazda 3 has quietly built a reputation as one of the best-kept secrets in the compact segment. Unlike some rivals that pile on unnecessary complexity, Mazda kept things simple: efficient 4-cylinder engines, straightforward transmissions, and solid engineering. That simplicity pays off in reliability. Consumer Reports rates the Mazda 3 above average nearly every year, and owners often praise how few issues come up even after 150,000 miles. Another strength is that the Mazda 3 doesn't feel like a basic car. It's actually fun to drive, with responsive handling and a sportier design. That makes it unique in this list. A car that's both dependable and enjoyable. Rivals like the Chevy Cruze or Dodge Dart have faded from the market, but the Mazda 3 keeps proving that fun and reliability can coexist. For buyers who don't want boring but still want lasting value, it's an excellent choice. Number 6. Subaru Outback. The Outback is proof that practicality and dependability can go hand in hand. Known for its standard all-wheel drive, the Outback has become a favorite in snowy and rural parts of the US. But it's not just about traction, it's also about longevity. Subaru's 2.5-liter engines have been known to last hundreds of thousands of miles when maintained properly. Owners love the ruggedness, and Consumer Reports consistently puts the Outback near the top for reliability among wagons and crossovers. It's also one of the most versatile vehicles on this list, equally at home on a highway commute or a dirt trail. While older Subarus did have head gasket issues, newer generations corrected those flaws, making the Outback one of the safest long-term bets for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With strong resale values and a loyal following, the Outback is a car you can depend on for the long haul. Number 5. Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is one of Toyota's best-selling SUVs, and reliability is the main reason why. Families love it because it combines space, comfort, and safety with Toyota's bulletproof engineering. Engines and transmissions are known to last far beyond 200,000 miles, and Consumer Reports regularly places it among the top-rated mid-size SUVs. Compared to rivals like the Ford Explorer or Chevy Traverse, the Highlander consistently has fewer major issues. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, and that's what keeps it high on shopping lists. Number 4. Lexus RX. The RX is the best-selling luxury SUV in America, and a big reason is trust. It offers the comfort and style of a high-end vehicle, but with Toyota's long-term durability underneath. While German SUVs like BMW's X5 or Audi's Q7 are infamous for costly repairs, the RX quietly racks up hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal drama. Consumer Reports often calls it one of the most reliable luxury vehicles, period. For buyers who want a touch of class without the repair nightmares, the RX is unmatched. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. Few vehicles have a reputation like the 4Runner. Built on a rugged truck frame, it's designed to last. Owners often see 300,000 miles or more with regular maintenance, and it's not unusual to find older models still running strong after decades. Consumer Reports gives it high marks for dependability, and resale values are among the highest in the SUV market. Unlike many modern SUVs that prioritize comfort over toughness, the 4Runner stays true to its roots, and that makes it one of the most trusted vehicles ever built. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The CR-V is one of Honda's most popular models, and reliability is a big part of why. It's a compact SUV that delivers efficiency, practicality, and incredible longevity. Engines are simple but strong, and transmissions rarely give trouble. J.D. Power and Consumer Reports consistently rank the CR-V above average for dependability. It's also inexpensive to maintain and holds resale value better than most competitors. For families who need something versatile and reliable, the CR-V has become the default choice. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. At the very top sits the Land Cruiser, a vehicle legendary for its ability to survive almost anything. It's the truck that can cross deserts, climb mountains, and still last 500,000 miles. Around the world, it's used in some of the toughest conditions imaginable, and that reputation has carried over to the US. While it's expensive, owners almost never regret buying one because it simply refuses to quit. Consumer Reports and countless owners surveys show that Land Cruisers are among the longest-lasting vehicles ever built. For many, it's not just a car, it's an heirloom that can be passed down to the next generation. Not every car is built to last, but these 13 models have proven themselves over and over again. They're the ones that save you money, time, and frustration while delivering peace of mind mile after mile. If you had to bet on one car to last 20 years, which would it be? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you found this list helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more car breakdowns.